Hi, this is Palmer, and I'm coming at you today with another trade from optionspreadtrades.com. Today we're going to learn how to write a credit spread. Now, there's a couple of reasons why we want to learn how to write credit spreads. The first reason is it's what professional traders do to make consistent income. The reason it's easier to make consistent income is because you can be right 80% of the time. In other words, there's basically 5 different things the markets can do. A market can make a small move upwards, they can make a small move downwards, they can move sideways, they can make a large move upwards and a large move downwards. When we buy or sell stocks, we only can make a significant amount of money when the markets make a large move up, or if we short sell a stock, we make money when the markets make a large move downwards. But if we're doing credit spreads, we can make money in 4 out of these 5 situations. Even if the markets go nowhere, we can make money. And I'm going to show you how right now. Okay. So how do we write a credit spread? The first thing we want to do is decide which way the markets are going, which way the major indexes are going, whether they're going up or down. Then we want to find a stock that is trading in the same direction as the index, either up or down. We want to find a stock with high liquidity, a small bid-ask spread. If the markets are going up, we want to do a bull put spread. If the markets are going down, we want to do a bear call spread. Okay. Now we want to look for risk to reward ratios of 2 to 1 or better. I usually try to get a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1. So in other words, if I'm risking $2, I want to make at least $1. Most cases, I want to risk $1 to make $1. Okay. So I'm going to show you now. We're going to show you how to do that. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the S&P. We're going to look at the weekly chart of the S&P and see which way it's headed. Okay, as you can see on September 4th, we got a sell signal on the S&P, so the major trend is down. Then we are going to look at a stock that is also headed down. In this case, we're going to look at Microsoft. Okay, for a stock, we're going to look at the monthly to see the major trend. As you can see, Microsoft had a sell signal on the monthly charts on the on February 1st, and we're going to look at weekly for timing. Okay, as you can see here, Microsoft got a sell signal about on the 3rd of September at 26.86. The markets are currently at 26.64. So now we're going to go to an options chain on Microsoft. This is the October options chain. As you can see, the stock is currently selling for $26.69. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell a $27 call. We're going to sell a $27 call. We're going to take in an 83-cent credit. Okay, then we're going to buy a $29 call. That's going to cost us 23 cents. So 23 from 83 gives us 60 cents or $60 credit to our account for every contract. Okay. So again, Microsoft is selling at $26.69. We're going to sell the $27 October call. That gives us about 3 weeks to expiration because right now it's October 1st. Then we're going to buy the $29 call. Okay, so we're going to take in a credit of $83 on the $27 call. We're going to spend $23 on the $29 call. So that gives us a net credit of $60. Now, if Microsoft, the way we get maximum profit is if Microsoft closes below $27, so if it stays below $27, so $26.99 or below, we're going to collect the full $60. If it goes above $27, we don't start losing money until it hits $27.60 or more. Okay, so if it can be $27.30 and we'll still make money. Okay, the way we suffer maximum loss is if it closes above $29. So our maximum loss in this case is $1.40. So in this case, we're risking $60. I'm sorry, we're risking $140 to make $60. So the risk to reward ratio is a little bit higher than we want to go. It's about 2.4 to 1. So again, we're risking $140 to make $60. but we have about an 80% chance that this risk is going to be successful. Okay. Anyway, if you want to find out how to make more trades like this, or you want to place trades like this with us, please go to www.optionspreadtrades.com and you can subscribe to our free newsletter. Thanks a lot and happy trading.